What's up, guys? FearItSelf here with some NOS Pro performance tips for the new Halo maps, Android and Redemption. Starting off with Android, there's a few key elements regarding this map. There's a rocket launcher that spawns bottom middle, there's two jetpacks that spawn towards the side bases, and there's a custom power-up when you play Team Slayer right in the middle. The basic strategy for Android is to control the top side of the map, this being top middle, green, and yellow. The easy way to do this is to utilize the jetpack and the rocket launcher. Anytime you pick up a jetpack or a rocket launcher, make your way to the top side of the map, control it as long as you can. This way you can spawn trap the enemy spawning at red base or blue base. Do this throughout the game and it'll help you that much more to win the match. My favorite spot on Android has to be where OS spawns. You can see everything in the map and you can take a quick little route to top middle using that leg that connects to it. Alright, now let's take a look at the other new map, Redemption. The key points for Redemption, there's rocket launcher that spawns bottom middle, there's an evade that spawns at green base, and then there's a sniper rifle that spawns at yellow base. The basic strategy for Redemption is to control the enemy side of top middle. You have the most cover and it's the easiest spot to spawn trap the enemy spawning at green or yellow. Once you have control, pull the flag, run it through top middle, make sure you keep one guy controlling top middle to spawn trap the enemy spawning at green or yellow while you're running the flag. Do this correctly, you'll get the cap for sure. My favorite thing to do on Redemption to stay alive top middle is to use the outside ledges to jump from plat to plat. Do this and you'll fool your enemy and get an easy back smack to keep control of top middle. Alright guys, this is FearItSelf and those were some NOS Pro tips for the new Halo maps, Android and Redemption. I'm signing out, I'll catch you guys next time.